Bye.
Hi.
Road trips are the equivalent of human wings. Ask me to go on one, anywhere. We'll stop in every small town and learn the history and stories, feel the ground, and capture the spirit. Then we'll turn it into our own story that will live inside our history to carry with us, always. Because stories are more important than things. Rajasthan, also known as the land of Maharajas, is seemingly one of the most Instagrammable places in India. Rippling sand dunes are one of the most unique features of Rajasthan travel and tours. Travelers from all over the world visit Rajasthan to enjoy the charm of rippling sand dunes. One of the most beautiful things you will witness in Rajasthan is the swift change in the color of sky and terrain. Well, it is a sight that is hard to see anywhere else, it's true. Rajasthan is the largest state of India by area with the total area of 34,239 square kilometers. Rajasthan shares a 1048 km border, adjacent to Pakistan's Punjab and Sindh provinces. Earlier, flight operations at Jaisalmer Airport were temporarily suspended, and the airport was closed to the public in view of the prevailing situation in the wake of the airstrikes and ceasefire violations in the northern sector. Camel is the iconic animal of Rajasthan. It is part of the cultural identity and life of the desert state. Jaisalmer Fort. If one wants to see the replica of the fort which was shown in the television cartoon Arabian Nights, then Jaisalmer Fort is the place to be. Counted amongst the largest forts in the world, Jaisalmer Fort is the most popular landmark of Jaisalmer city. Unlike other forts of Rajasthan, Jaisalmer Fort houses museum, shops, restaurants, residential accommodations, hotels, etc. Jaisalmer Fort is, in many ways, the very definition of the word epic. This is not simply one of India's several World Heritage Sites. It is also one of the few fully preserved fortified cities worldwide. It is also a living fort with thousands living within its walls and earning their livings through the fort's numerous shops, restaurants and temples. Moving back to the architecture of Jaisalmer Fort, one of the main reasons for the majesty of this fort is its use of 3 layers of walls. Solid stone blocks were used for the first lower layer to strengthen the foundation of the fort and reinforce the loose soil of the hill. The Golden City, as it has come to be known, as a majestic place. A huge fort sits atop a hill in the center of the city, overlooking the sun-kissed houses.
Con agravio.
The Great Thar Desert is a world of its own. It looks empty for miles on end but is filled with wonderful surprises.
The desert of Rajasthan is situated partly in India and partly in Pakistan. Bordering the desert on 4 sides are Indus Plains to the west, Aravalli Range to the southeast, Run of Kutch to the south and Punjab Plains to the north and northeast, also known as the Great India Desert. Thar Desert. The Blue City of Jodhpur. Jodhpur is also known as Blue City, as the houses are blue painted in the old area of the city. It's also said that as it's called as the Sun City because the weather remains bright and sunny all around the year. Ajmer is a small city but a great shopping destination. The local Rajasthani flavor can be experienced at Madar Gate, a popular location offering plenty of shopping opportunities. One of the most visited places of Ajmer, the Ajmer Dargah, has a Sufi shrine which is believed to be one of the holiest places in Rajasthan. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, who was a Persian Sufi saint, is enshrined in this place owing to his secular preachings. He is believed to be the descendant of Muhammad, and it is on his request that he came to India. It is believed that if you pray for anything with a pure heart at the Ajmer Dargah, it is bound to be fulfilled. Unfortunately, we cancelled our journey because of the COVID-19 and we parceled my scooter our nearest railway station. Then we back to Kerala.